I am Bob Hunt, and I'm from Lakewood, Colorado. I do not have a home inspection company at this time, but I do have a repair and remodel service, and so I'm adding the home inspection as part of my business package. The instructors were phenomenal. They really taught a lot of content that we need. I thoroughly enjoyed the class, and I really liked that it was part talking in classroom, but also we went to the House of Horrors and got to sample the stuff. The House of Horrors, I thought that it was a very important tool so that you see that the stuff was built and it was built wrong, and then you could kind of troubleshoot that. And then we also did projects there trying to diagnose what was wrong with each part of the problem. I would absolutely recommend it, and I think that this is like the basic bottom line. They were very welcoming here, and also the instructors, they were going to try to help you succeed. The whole school was here to help you succeed, to start your business, but also the support that they're willing to give us beyond just being in the school is just great, with website building, with marketing tools, with the books and everything. I thought it was it's just well worth the money and the investment.